Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing you the helmet, face guard, and ear guards for this Stihl helmet for doing chainsaw work. You can do other things with it and stuff too if you want to, but obviously this one is really made for that. So the whole point of it is I usually double up, and so I'm usually, when you're chainsawing, a lot of times in the sun, but this helmet is adjustable, so you can adjust the back straps depending on how big your noggin is. And then you can take them off your ears, so you can, when you're talking or discussing how you want to cut down that massive tree, you can do that. But then they basically just fold back in on your ears, so you can just do that and that. And now you have ear protection, so the chainsaw, when it's running, you're not going to damage your ears. And so it allows them to slide up and down, but they really kind of suction good. I can still hear the chainsaw running, but you're not going to get the high sound that's going to do the damage. Then the other beautiful thing about this, it's got a screen guard. So if things are flying, your chain's chipping away at something, you don't have to really worry about getting hit in the face or getting your eyes damaged or things like that. I usually double up, either clear safety glasses or I use sunglasses depending on how sunny it is out and what I'm doing. But this is a great addition, and of course the hard hat always helps. In case a dead branch falls off while you're doing something, you don't want to take to the side of the head, especially when you got a bald head like mine. The last thing I need is another divot. So that's it. I mean, we'll put a link in the description below. You can buy this at numerous locations. We'll put a link to Amazon. This one is the NRR 22, and it really does a great job of just kind of protecting your ears, protecting your head, and protecting your eyes and face. Okay, so that's it. If you're doing chainsaw work, you're doing outside work, and you want to protect your eyes, head, and ears, this is a great addition that you can add to your garage stuff that you need for doing chainsaw work. We'll see you next time. Super Thanks, always welcome. I'll put a link in the description below for this particular helmet on Amazon.